Hey YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I will be putting on an Amazon wig and I guess kind of reviewing it. Excuse my background, but I'm organizing my clothes and stuff. And what was I gonna say? Yeah, that's all I have to say. And the rest of this video is going to be a voiceover. So yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. I also forgot to mention a few disclaimers for this one. I will not be braiding my hair. My hair is slick to the back, and I will not be washing it because I literally just installed that wig back on my head the other day. I don't feel like rewashing it. But the point is I'm going to be installing my hair. So yeah. Also, not a disclaimer, but I want to go ahead and review the hair. So yeah, and I'm also going to link the girl's hair under this description box where I got it from and all that good stuff, because it's 30 inches and I only paid like $250 or $249, you know, $250 after tax. So yeah. So I already opened it, but I'm going to reopen it for y'all. First, it came in this plastic bag, and it's inside of this pink bag. It kind of looks like the Alley Pearl symbol, I think. I'm not sure. Here's another bag that it came in. The hair came with some ugly lashes, but I guess I gotta be grateful. I'm not gonna use them. Thank you, girl. It came with a wig cap. Cute packaging to me, and it, of course, it's in a net. Oh wait, hold on. It came with this. I'm really not sure what this is, but that's how it looks. I love my camera. Man, so glad I bought this 13 Pro Max. Anyway, this is 30 inches of hair. Now, one thing did say it's gonna be pre-plucked, and I really can't tell that it's pre-plucked, but the inches, I think they're there. The hair's pretty soft, so imagine when I flat iron it and all that good stuff. I like it, especially if it lasts long. I will be buying from them again. So yeah, that's my review. So now I'm gonna install the hair on this base, on this hair, the scalp base. Yeah, so all I do is slick my hair back. If you want to be lazy and stuff like me, or you got nails and you can't braid it, just slick your hair back and I'll just show you the rest. Okay, I start off with the bow hole glue. I'm not really sure if it's the real one, but it holds pretty well. And you know, I just put that across my perimeter in the front, and I spread it out with the freeze spray, because for some reason my comb likes to stick to my head. But when I use the freeze spray, it makes it easier to spread the glue out. I then put the wig cap over my head. At this point, you know, the glue don't have to be clear. I just put some on to put extra security on the wig cap. Okay, I poked 2 holes in my ear, of course, to get the wig cap around my ears. I used the even freeze spray, the maximum one, and I sprayed it over my head until I could really see my forehead or my, you know, my scalp. So yeah, so I don't over glue, so I don't put glue in my real hair. And of course, I put my glue on over the wig cap around the perimeter again, not on my hair, just the perimeter. And I'm going to spread it out again. Okay, I was really being lazy. I could have got my blow dryer, but I used a quick fan. But I hope it don't take long to even get clear, so that's why I did all that. After I'm done drying my hair, I start cutting at my wig cap as close as possible to where my hairline stops. After that, I go in with my tint. You got to get the right tint, it's your color, and you start spraying your head. The goal is really to make your hair look as bald as possible. And this is harmless to your hair, so it doesn't matter if you color it. So yeah. And I go back in with my boho on the parameter. I'm going to do this about 3 times, and I'm going to spread it out 3 times and dry it 3 times. So it's going to be a little minute. We're finally on the last round of doing this. You know, this is really a process, and you have to trust it. I go in with my tint spray again, and I spray my wig up under it because I really don't feel like bleaching no kind of knots. And I'm using my even spray to dry it up, the color, at least make it stay in long enough. You can see after that, I put the wig on my head, and I start hot combing my hair as good as possible. It didn't get as flat as I wanted to the first time because I'm doing it in bulk instead of going section by section, but that's okay. It's eventually gonna work. And now I'm cutting my lace in like 5 places. Well, in 4 places, but you're gonna see that it's gonna be in like 5 separate sections, so you can glue your hair in 5 different kind of sections. And you see I'm going in with the glue. I'm going to be doing that piece by piece 5 different times to make sure my lace is glued down correctly. After drying my glue on my head, I'm going to place my that lace piece down as flat as I can. I'm using my fingers. You can use a comb, it doesn't matter. It's really best to use a comb. And then I didn't show the part where I hot comb it, but I did hot comb it first before cutting the lace in that section. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do for all the sections, but you won't really see me hot comb it, I think, except the last section. Okay, I got done with the rest off camera, and now I'm gonna wet up my towel and then put alcohol on my parameter to clear up like the glue and stuff. And I clearly did it too roughly, so I had to fix up some pieces and re-glue them little pieces because I put too much alcohol on it or something. I am I'm hot combing my hair backwards to get most of it, to pretty much get all of it out the way, because we're going to fix the coloring in the front. started out using this lace tip, but then I realized it's really not my color. So I had to go in with my foundation and start patting. And that kind of made my hair messy too. So I went in with the alcohol again and the towel, and I put it on my hair and not on my lace. So in sections, I start putting my edges out where you want them to be. And then when I get to the middle part, I cut that to get that front part out of my face. So I went ahead and cut it. Off camera, I also hot combed it. And I'm not plucking my hair because I'm really lazy. So I wanted to flatten. I'm going to hot comb it as flat as possible so I don't have to pluck my hair. I'm going to get my hair out the way so I can go ahead and use the wrap. Is it called wrap? The styling wrap on okay, it's called wrap strips. You're gonna use the wrap strips on the hair. First, you're gonna spray your freeze spray. Well, really, that's what I'm doing. And when I spray my freeze spray, that's when I'm gonna put the wrap on, cause that really helps for the extra secureness. Cause edges are, the lace of the edge is kind of hard to. That's the hardest part, pretty much, to keep down. Off camera, I flat ironed my hair, and then at the end, when I was done, I wanted to record my this part of me parting my hair, spraying it with some kind of oil, brushing it, and also hot combing my hair to make my front part, as flat as possible. And then when I get done hot combing my hair, I took my wrap strip off, and I pinned my hair back up to cut off my wrap strip. And you're gonna see me do my edges. Well, first I gotta cut my edges, and then you're gonna see me do my edges. My edges, I use a lace glue, and also use a mousse because glue by itself is too harsh, and mousse is not harsh enough. So that combo is perfect when you're doing your edges. At this point, I look confused. I look confused because I didn't know if these edges looked right. And apparently they did not look right because I ended up redoing them. And you're going to see in the video, I posted a video in here where I'm redoing them. But after I was done with my edges, I did use the hot comb to flat my hair again. See how unsure I was? They were kind of cute though. They're cute on camera. Going in with my even freeze spray again, I'm going to brush my hair out, for the extra security. I'm just combing my hair, but I'm going to show you a video of my hair redone, my edges redone. I didn't do it on camera, but I wanted something regular because I felt like my edges were doing too much. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just me admiring myself, the hair. And you're going to see me trying to show y'all how it flows. It's some nice hair, and I'm going to link it in the description box below. I think I'm going to redo my edges like this because this is really pretty. But yeah, I'm going to show y'all this video. As you can see, I redid it. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Ask that you like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for more.